All right, one of the things we provide at Bosky Vintage Rides is we rebuild and break in engines. What I have here is our engine run test stand. It's a very modern engine run test stand. Right now I have mounted on here a short block Chevy. We have oxygen sensors on here and all the gauges necessary to properly break in a motor. Use the oxygen sensor to tune the carburetor for peak performance. What we're going to do with this motor right here is we're going to break this motor in. We're going to run it for about 20 minutes at 2,000 RPM to break in the cam. We just replaced the cam in this motor, this short block Chevy. And it's really good to use an engine run test stand to do this, because if you have any leaks or anything, you're going to see it right now and you can fix it before you put it in the car. So there's nothing worse than when you're doing a restoration, putting a motor in and it leaks, and then you got to take it back out. So here we go. This is all set up.